So you're looking to start a business in 2023. If you're a newbie, budget is a big concern when you're just starting out. So what if I tell you that you can create an online store for free? Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that helps you to create bold, easy-to-use online store, and you can start selling online or in person. It is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and is currently used by over 1.5 million merchants in 175 countries. First thing you have to do is to sign up for an Ecwid account. Simply head over to the Get Started for Free button over here. I'm gonna use my Gmail account to sign up. To get started, you have to complete your registration. So I'm gonna name my store as Alfie's Jewels. Just answer a few questions which is required. If you do not have a website address, that's okay. We will stick with Ecwid. So once you have answered all the questions, it will direct you to this price planning page. Since we're just starting out, we're gonna create a store for free. Click on this button here and we'll be directed to the dashboard page. Once your account is open, you can set up your company's particulars, and you can include all the following details. You can even include your social media accounts if you have them ready. Set up your currency, your preferred currency, preferably for this store we're gonna set up as US dollars. Okay, so we're gonna include our time zone to reflect the correct timing. For default, we're gonna just put the store language as English. Click save. The next thing we're gonna do is to include our products. Just hover to the catalog, click on products. As you can see here, we have a lot of default products. What you can do is click on the selection over here and delete all sample products because you just don't need them. Otherwise, they will appear on your live store. So now we're gonna feature our new product. So in this example, I'm gonna upload necklaces and I'm gonna name our product as silver necklace for couples. Include your SKU. Just start from initial number, and of course you're going to include the weightage of the product. I'm going to include the description over here, which I have prepared beforehand. I'm just going to include some unique selling points about the product and including the specifications of the items. Include the selling price of US $25. And we're done with that. So once we have included all the necessary details for our first product, the silver necklace, we can include the product options. For this instance, I can include the color, and the option type will be drop down. So the customers can actually hover down to the drop down list to see the details of the color. So the first one, I'm going to include the color silver, and I'm going to include another one, black, which is another option. The price will remain the same, $25 for both. Okay. I could even include a new product. This will be a complementary product for our necklace. So I'm just gonna upload a red rose ring box. Include the product name, the SKU, and the weightage of the product. Not forgetting the product description. Once done, you can save it. There are other options which you can include, but this is not applicable for the free plan. So you can, however, explore this when you have signed up for the paid option. Since we have set up the page for the Red Rose ring box, we're going to include the recommended product for silver necklace. And we just gonna save this. To just preview what we have done, we can head over to our website and we can click on the preview site over here, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so now we have the both products featured on our main page. We have the silver necklace and the Red Rose ring box. If you hover to the Red Rose ring box, you can also see the related products which we have set up previously on our related product setup page. Okay, you can see even the price listing as well as the details of the product. If you head over to the silver necklace, you can even see the color options for silver as well as black. So with the next thing we have to do is to enhance our homepage. So if we're happy with this storefront preview, we can stick to it, but of course I'm gonna change a little bit. There's so many themes that you can actually choose from. So you can choose those that applies to your product niche or even to your preference. So for this, I'm just gonna choose something which is more simple. I can change my title to Elfie's Jewels, the most unique pieces for your everyday wear. You can choose to change the background if you wish to, or you can include some kind of overlay to create different hues. And of course, you can choose any of the available template that they can provide. Okay, since we're selling necklaces, we're going to choose the most related image that we can find. Don't forget to save. We can definitely customize our layout according to our preference. So this could be, creating a smaller thumbnail size images for our products, or large ones so that it can definitely stands out. We can also include our own company mission. If you have them ready, you can include in this section over here. And of course, our customer testimonials. So I'm going to include a very simple about us statement. So it's not going to be so complicated. And I'm perhaps going to include my name as the store owner. And of course, we're going to change our location to ensure that we are in the right location in Singapore. Once we're done, we save it. The most important component for any online store is the payment method for your business. For this example, I already have my PayPal as one of the online payment method for my online store. You can also include other providers such as Stripe or even the credit card companies such as MasterCard or Visa. But do a check with your bank before you include any setup to prevent any liabilities or high risk payments that can create complications. So of course you can include other payment methods such as the cash on delivery. So just make sure that you have available inventory for your business so you can deliver your products within 3 to 5 working days. The next setup, of course, is the shipping. In the shipping tab, you can configure different shipping methods such as the flat rate, the weight-based or carrier calculated shipping. Of course, you have to specify the regions you need to ship to and the associated costs as well. So for example, I'm going to include free shipping for orders above $50 and ship overseas worldwide. Click save. So if I were to click on my product page here, I'm gonna do a random test and go to checkout. And of course, if I were to include the details for my shipping of my items, I will definitely see free shipping for orders above $50. And Ecwid, of course, is definitely a great tool for you to set up your online store, from product setup to integrating all the functionalities to create a user-friendly and functional retail experience for your customers. So that's it for our guide and tutorial on how to set up an online store using Ecwid. I hope you find this video helpful and you are able to start selling your products online. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tutorials. Until then, I'll